everyone, I'm Abhinav. Welcome to my show. Today I'm here with some easy experiments that all of you can do it in your home. Let's start our first experiment. For the first experiment, we need a plate, a glass, colored water, any food color or ink, a small candle, a lighter or a matchstick. Pour the colored water into the plate. Now keep the small candle in the middle of the plate and keep the glass above the candle. See the water level rising. Now slowly lift it up. See? So let's go to the next experiment. For the next experiment, we need the same height bottle or a same height glass. Then we need a candle, a toothpick or a needle. Ask someone to pierce the needle like this or the toothpick. Now keep the candle this way and light it. Wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, the candle starts to balance and swings. Let's start the next experiment. For the next experiment, we need 2 balloons, a lighted candle, a glass of water and a filler. First of all, blow the balloon. Now roll it and tight it. Now keep the balloon above the candle. See, it blasted. Now take the filler and fill it little bit in the balloon. And now blow the balloon. it's not blasting. See, it's not at all blasting. See, it will not blast. It is the magic of water. Everyone try these experiments in your home.